Hi everybody, I'm Cullen McGough, the Communications Director here at Chewonki, and with me is Megan Phillips, our farm manager from Salt Marsh Farm. And I think we have a project today to tell you about that is super interesting. So Megan,
true.
where are we? What are we doing out here?
We're on the site of the Eastside Pasture Restoration Project. So we are in the midst of transitioning some acreage of forest to diversified pasture.
That's awesome. So where on the neck are we exactly right now?
We are essentially due east of the existing farm. So we're on a parcel of land that has a southern boundary that is a stone wall that is also the southern boundary of the farm on the west side of the road. So as you drive into Chewonki Neck Road, you'll now see pasture on the left side of the road in addition to seeing the farm on the right side of the road.
Wow.
Yeah.
So there's some pretty huge stacks of wood around us here.
True.
Can you tell me a little bit what they've been doing over the last couple weeks?
Yes, absolutely. We've been engaging in a process with some local loggers and contractors in order to clear and transition this land. So there have been a series of different mechanized pieces of equipment that have been here doing this clearing project. They have been first we had our forester actually come out, Harold Burnett, and mark the boundaries of this land and sort of establish where exactly we were going to clear. And then a logger came out and cut the trees that were coming down. And now that wood has been processed to log length and divided up by its like future essentially use. So some of it will go as pallet wood, some of it will become pulpwood, which will be transitioned into paper, some of it will be used for lumber, but it's all heading to Maine mills and also a couple mills in Canada. And then the next steps in this process, once all this wood is moved off, we'll chip the remaining brush that's here, and then it will be ground. The first top 4 inches of soil will be tilled so that we can amend and seed pasture grasses this spring, with a hope of introducing more cows and sheep onto this land for production in the spring of 2019.
Wow, that's a lot faster than I would have thought.
Yes.
You could clear some land.
Yeah.